Gideon. I'm in charge of makerspace activities where we are producing the face shells. So we are using 3D printing for the production, and before you do the printing you have to model it on a computer. This over there. After you do that, you transfer it to this printer here that is currently working on stacks of 40. So after this process, you realize that there are about 4 printers. You take it out and you have something like this. So it has the ability to stretch. It has all the portions where you can then cut this piece, and we do this on the laser cutter. The laser cutter helps us to cut these holes, which you fix here on the shield. So as you can see, I'm fixing it on the shield. Very simple, very strong fit. You fix it at the sides. You have your face shield and you put it on.